Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Hyundai Elantra window. First, determine if the issue lies with the motor, the switch, or the regulator. Test the window switch by trying both up and down functions. Listen for any sounds from the door, like a clicking or grinding, which could indicate a motor problem. Also, check for power at the motor connector using a multimeter to confirm electrical supply. If your diagnosis points to a faulty motor, replacing it is a common fix. Begin by carefully removing the door panel, often involving several screws and clips. Once the panel is off, disconnect the electrical harness from the old window motor. Then, unbolt the motor, typically held by three 10mm nuts. Install your new motor, ensuring the gear aligns, and reattach the nuts and electrical connector. Should the regulator be the problem, you'll need to detach the window glass from its mounting points on the old regulator. Often, the glass can be temporarily secured in the up position with tape. Next, unbolt the entire regulator assembly from inside the door. Carefully remove it, then position the new regulator, securing its bolts. Finally, reattach the window glass to the new regulator and test its movement. After replacing the necessary components, it's time to reassemble. Carefully reinstall the door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely fastened. Reconnect any electrical harnesses for the window switch and other door components. Before finishing, thoroughly test the window's up and down function multiple times to ensure smooth and complete operation. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.